What's up guys, TK here with PRX Performance. Today we are going to do a video on a frequently asked question that we get all the time. For this video we're going to take a look at our folding bench. And the question that we get is this bench adjustable? Does it incline? Does it decline? And the answer with our folding bench is no. Our folding bench only deploys flat. We do offer some standalone options on our website if you're looking for more adjustability with a bench that can incline and decline, but for now, our folding bench that's going to attach to your wall only deploys flat. Now, to deploy the bench, you're going to want to grab it at the top, grab it at the bottom, and just guide the bench to the open position. Pretty simple to unfold, and then to fold it back up, just going to do everything in reverse. So there you have it. Pretty simple. If you have any more questions about our folding bench or any of the products that we offer, please reach out to our team via our website.